Hello everyone, I welcome to today's edition. I've been receiving a lot of questions about how do you start forex trading. So those are some of the things I'm going to cover in today's section. So we're going to look at some of the basic things you need to know before starting a forex trading. What is forex trading? It's something that you need to understand that is just an exchange of one currency for another, which usually happen anytime we travel into a different country. So if you travel from say Ghana to USA, you will need to change your Ghana cedi into the United States dollar. So that's forex trading actually. However, with this forex trading, you are going to be doing it online. You don't have to go to physically change Ghana cedi for a US dollar. There is a way you can do it in the forex trading market, which is actually virtual market. That's very good thing about it. You can do it anywhere you are. You can actually do forex. Okay, so now another thing that you need to know is what are pips, what are spreads, what are lot sizes, what are leverages, how to place a buy and a sell trade, risk management. Those are some of the basic things that you need to know, and it's always advisable to seek knowledge from an expert or someone who is already trading profitably to guide you through this process. However, we are living in a different world now. Information is everywhere. You can actually learn how to trade forex by yourself. Okay, all the informations are online. And the second thing you need to know is registering with a regulated broker. How do you get a regulated broker? You have to go to your region or area that you are in and then look for brokers that are located there that are actually registered to engage in forex trading. Okay, look for a low spread broker that has a fast execution speed, reliable deposit and withdrawal methods, and have strong reputation and verified reviews. Okay, so some of the brokers that I usually use, we have IC Markets, JustMarkets, and Exness. Those are the brokers that I use. You can find a link to register with my introductory broker in the description of this video. Yes, just to belong to my family. You can just do that if you are interested in trading and you want to choose a broker to be loyal to me. That's one of the simple things you can do to register using the IB link in the description section. So you then sign up with a broker platform, upload your ID and proof of verification, wait for verification approval, set up your preferred base currency, which is the currency in which you'll be trading in. Make sure to activate two-step verification because this is actually where your money is. This is your bank account. Then different brokers use different platforms. We have the MetaTrader 4 platform, and then we have the MetaTrader 5 platform. We have the C Trader, and recently some brokers are able to use TradingView for trading. So you download any of these platforms that you want to trade with. You then log in into your trading platform, which the most popular one is the MetaTrader 5. It was 4, but now most people are now using the MetaTrader 5 because it's easy to set your stop loss and take profits. Start on a demo account. Practice entries and exits. Test your strategy. Get used to drawdown. Get used to when you lost a trade. However, when you lose a trade and you do the right thing, you don't have to be so worried. Get used to it that sometimes you do the right thing and the market is just not in your favor. Okay, master lot sizing. Know which particular lot size you're supposed to be using per each trade. Okay, then the next thing is learn one trading strategy deeply. The key word is deeply. Master the strategy. It could be market structure, liquidity sweep, break of structure, trend line, be support and resistance, um, whatever strategy it is, just master the strategy very well and be consistent with it. Build risk management habits where you know the amount of money you are risking per trade. Use the appropriate stop losses per trade. Making use of breaking even, like you're actually protecting your capital, Understand leverage. Have a strategic target point. So you are entering a trade and you are going in for 1:3 or 1:2. Have a strategic target point. Do not revenge. Don't revenge. So if the market goes against you, don't decide to revenge against the market. Those are some of the things that you learn from the beginning. Now you start life with a small amount of money. So begin with a small amount of money that you can afford to lose. Okay. This will help teach you how to make decisions, because this, with real money, emotions are not involved. Have a trade journal. Journal your entries, your exits, the reason for your entry into the trade. Take screenshots, write down your results, write down the emotions at the time of taking the trade. Sometimes you may take a trade and you have to run to the toilet. Just write down the emotions that accompanied you placing those trades. Backtest your strategy. Go back in history and see how your strategies play. Okay, backtest at least 50 to 100 trades using the same strategy over and over again, and see whether at the long run you're going to make profit. You have to also build discipline and psychology. You have to be patient. Okay, those are important things. Build yourself up to be patient. Build yourself to have detachment from money, following your own rules, because here you're going to draw your own strategy. You're going to draw your own rules of engagement. You have to build yourself to follow those rules. Managing fear and greed, they are the most important things. You have to manage your fears and greed. You have to make sure you manage greed. Then you can scale up gradually. As you are becoming profitable, you can gradually scale up. Withdraw some of your profits and enjoy it. This will build your confidence that you have actually withdrawn profit from your trading. Okay, so at a point, try withdrawing some money and go and buy something. Okay, never stop learning. Never stop learning, because your past performance, good or bad, does not necessarily indicate your future success. So you continue learning, continue improving, continue reviewing your trades, continue. Anytime you place a trade, look at the trade, look at the things you did well, the things you need to improve on, and then keep improving upon your trade and your strategy. You don't have to keep your strategies very, very complicated. Always try to refine your strategies until you are hitting a good risk to reward in a long term. Okay, so these are basically some of the things that you need to start a forex trading. You don't actually need someone, since there is a lot of information online now. However, if you do need a mentor or you need someone to teach you, you can link up through the links in the description section of this video. We have people who are already trading that can guide you through some of these basic things to start a forex trading endeavor. However, I want to remind you that forex trading is risky. It's risky and it's not suitable for everyone or investor. And your past performance, good or bad, does not necessarily indicate your future success. You have to stay humble, stay calm, be patient, no fear, no greed, and focus on a long term. Always remember not to trade money you cannot afford to lose. It's very, very important. So basically, those are some of the things that you have to know to start a forex trading journey as a beginner. I would continue to bring you more information in the foreign exchange market domain. and to keep you updated, to keep you informed, and then to review some of the trades that I've taken. We will review the ones that I lost, we will review the ones that I won, and then we will learn together. You don't have to follow my strategy. The most important thing is that you have a strategy that is working and you are consistently following that strategy. I wish you all the best and keep watching this side. There is going to be a lot of important and educative informations for you that will guide you. Make sure to register with the broker names. However, if you want to start, you can start with the book The Way to the Foreign Exchange Market. You can get this book from the jkmarkets.co.uk website. That's one of the easiest way to start, where there are a lot of information in there. There are a lot of different strategies that are tested and proven in the book that can help you to become profitable. So I would be happy if you can get that book as a first step to becoming one of the best forex traders in the world. I wish you all the best. Bye.